Hello everybody, my name is Memo, this is my channel Fancy Memo, and today we're here playing Overwatch on the new map Blizzard World. It's out now on consoles. This is actually really dope. I have a confession though, to make. I never played any other Blizzard game except for Overwatch, so I'm not gonna get any of the references. If I was into Blizzard games as much as other people, I know I would be freaking out like crazy, and let's just throw that in there. Oh, got an elimination already. Oh, by the way, I'm playing as heroes I don't usually play because I'm trying to make this video where I get play of the game with every single hero in the game, and so far I've got like most of it. Well, not most, I guess, but a good healthy amount. Oh, and I'm about to die. Oops. If I knew all the references, I'm pretty sure I would be geeking out right now. But you know, I don't. Ah, they're everywhere. Oh my gosh, they're annoying. Wait, no! I got stuck. Oh, why not? Why not? Why not? Oh, it's the new Diva skin. It's my first time seeing it in game. Oh my gosh, our team is playing very, very well right now. I can't lose to you. I'm on fire, baby. Oh no. I have my ultimate again. No, I can't even talk. We did so good, but we lost the point. We lost it. That was a good run. I have 9 kills. I was on fire. I already have my ultimate again. Things are looking good for me. I'm not saying we're gonna win because we probably aren't. Oh yeah, and this is like the first time I've ever played this. Ooh, easy peasy lemon McSqueezy. Ooh, let's go. Let's just be a nuisance. Let's just. Oh yeah, baby diva, you're out. Symmetra, you're out. Play of the game, please. I deserve it. Get out of here, mate. Oh snap! Oh yes, we got the point. Oh dang it, I died. Oh, should I main Moira? Like, oh my gosh, she can be OP at times. Oh, I'm just being a nuisance. I hate going against Moira, so it's nice being an annoying little thingamabobber. I got this. Ha! Too easy, baby! Too easy! Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Ooh. Yeah, get out, kill yourself! Ooh, this is going way too good for me. Like, I didn't expect to play this well. Oh, spoke too soon. Okay, as I've been trying to tell you guys, Overwatch just updated its cosmetics and all the skins. So there's, oh wow, just noticed. Okay, and so there's a bunch of new skins, bunch of new emotes. Well, yeah, emotes, highlight intros, just a lot of nice, cool stuff, including this beautiful Diva skin. And I'm sorry, Diva, I'm just gonna quickly murder you and your friends while I'm at it. Go. I got you. What are you doing? You crazy. Just being annoying. She like, Orisa doesn't know I'm behind her. Oh my gosh. Oh, play of the game. Give it to me. Oh snap. Ah no. I'm on fire! Oh, we're doing so good. Good job, team. Gets baby diva. Easy kill, baby. Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
This is so good. I am so good. I am the best Overwatch player in the world. Get her, 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 get her. I'm out, I'm out, I'm out, I'm out. Go diva, go diva. Is that? Was I supposed? Oh, how did I not die from the bomb? Okay, I know you could go behind. You could go this way, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get rid of this. Oh no! Come on! Not anymore! Let's go! No! Oh no! I'm dead. 31 kills! What? I am doing way too good. I'm on fire. 21 eliminations, 19 objective kills. Of course, gold healing, since I think I'm the only healer. This is crazy. I did not expect this at all. We just need to get the win, and then I'll be happy. That's for sure. Oh, we've got 30 seconds though. Can we do it? Can we do it, guys? Ah! Just dodge, bob and weave, guys. No, okay, go next to my tanks, or okay, we've got to push, and so I'm gonna let's go. Big plays. I'm dead. We lost. Oh, but 32 eliminations. That was a beautiful game. Hopefully we can play the game. Let's see. Let's see. I wish we won, but it is what it is. No! Are you serious? Ah! Oh my gosh, I deserve play of the game. She didn't even know what she was doing. I was like murdering people left and right. Oh my gosh, 20 objective kills. Come on, guys. Vote for your healer. I carried us to losing, but I did good. Like 4 golds, guys. Okay, we should play one more. I think we should play one more game. Okay, so now we're on defense, and I'm gonna play as May since we've never had a play of the game with May before. And look at this. Soldier 76, 4th place. Junkrat, 3rd place. Diva, 2nd place. Samra, 1st place. She obviously hacked. Okay, I'm late. I gotta run. Okay, so the first game we lost. I didn't get play of the game, but I had a monster game. I had a monster game with Moira. So hopefully, maybe I could have a monster game with May. I don't play May that often. She is a very valuable player, a character, hero in this game. So let's see how good I do as her. I'm probably gonna let you guys down. Come on, you can't aim. Oh, get out of here. Get out of here. Yes, let's go. Slowly getting my ult. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I got... No! It's the end! Oh no! They're getting the point. It's dumb if I keep going. Okay, run! 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 Stay with you guys. Why do you guys have the cool skins? Can I out-snipe the sniper? The Hanzo. He tried cheating with that cheese, the scatter cheese. What? Oh my gosh. So in my skirmishes, when it's like all nice and quiet, not chaotic, I like, you know, start exploring the area and stuff. And I live in Southern California. There's a lot of amusement parks. The most famous one is obviously Disneyland. And so, like, exploring this entire map, just the aesthetic and the sounds behind this, it's very like an amusement park. And oh, okay, just kill me now. Like, it does give you that amusement park feel, which like is pretty impressive when you think about it. It's just a video game, and yet it could still give you the sense. Oh, let's go. Okay, no! I hate Hanzo. Hanzo mains are evil people. I still have my ultimate. I want play of the game. No! I'm so close to killing the Hanzo. You know, Mays are evil too. Mei mains are evil people. Oh my gosh! They're like right there. Ooh. No! We lost! Oh. No, and I'm pretty sure I did not get play of the game. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this cheese. Look at, of course it was the Hanzo. It was the dirty Hanzo. This disgusts me. It's disgusting. You know what? I'm gonna play one more game. Because why not? Bonus match game thing. Bonus game. Bonus game. Meme review. So as you can see, I'm Samra this round. We've never had a play of the game with Samra either. And you know, today it's not my day. The first game was fabulous, not gonna lie. But the last one, just no, complete garbage. That I can touch the fire? That's weird. Okay, so hopefully we could get a W on this game. Like 2 losses in a row. That's a bit much. That's a bit much. So I'm gonna go Samra. I'm not. I don't play it that much, so please don't roast me. Oh, there's a Junkrat. He put a mine somewhere. Hopefully not here. I'm gonna step back a little. I'm pretty sure over there. Oh, it's the same. Oh, maybe not. I'm gonna go sneaky. Eggs with bacon. Ah, run! You just been pranked. You've just been pranked.
Oh my dude, you just got pranked. Bet you didn't see that one coming, huh?
Okay, I'm going back. He like did not expect that at all. Yes, Yaz, my queen. You have a gold gun for Reinhardt and you don't know how to play Reinhardt, obviously. Getting destroyed by me. No, run. Run! I have my ult already. Oh my gosh, this is insane. This map is fun. It's really fun. Dang it! I have to take the stairs. Oh my gosh, that's so scary. Run! Book it! I'm just toying with the Reinhardt. Okay, I should go back and use my ult. Try to help that team. Oh my gosh. No! Thank you. You're as dumb as I am. What was that? Okay, let's go. Mercy. Let's go, homie. Don't mind me, guys. Play of the game. Give it to me. He's so confused. I still die. He did not know what he was doing. He's so bad. He just Reinhardt mains are just funny. They just think they're good, but they just swing a hammer. Anybody can play Reinhardt, even me. Okay, we seriously need to get to the point. Whoa! Speed boost. Ah! 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 No. I didn't get play of the game either, huh? Yeah. Yeah, that was not good. You know what? Since I'm having so much fun, bonus game. Bonus game. A double bonus game. You did not expect that at all. So yeah, I'm gonna play one more time because I'm having fun. And you know, why not? Why not? My lady. Alrighty, so I am obviously McCree. This is gonna be our last game of the evening, guys. So we just took 3 fat L's, 2 bad games, 1 awesome game, no play of the games. So one of those things has to change. Either I have to have a monster game with McCree, even though I don't really play McCree, and you're gonna watch some horrible McCree gameplay pretty soon, or we could get a win, probably the easiest one out of the 3 options, or we could get play of the game with McCree, which is possible. It's not impossible. That made sense. So, like, I just need to have good positioning, good timing, good everything. Ba 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 ba. No! What was that? I was like, oh my gosh! I died instantly. She got me when I was falling. Oh my gosh, that's embarrassing. I'm gonna edit that out. Okay, so seems like our team is getting destroyed. Is it my fault for snowballing the eliminations? No. Maybe. No. Definitely not. Oh! Hanzo's maze. Their team is cancer. Come on. That's not even fair. He wasn't aiming towards me. Ooh, things aren't looking good, guys. Let's just boost up. Okay, I'm out. I don't want to be part of that at all. Oh wait, we could go over here. We could flank from behind. No! No! Oh! Lucky kill! This game is cray. Oh! I just saved someone's life. Got some damage, but you know, it's okay because I was saving a friend's life. Hey! Gotcha! Ha ha ha! Reinhardt, you're garbage. Oh! Oh, what? Who pooped him? Who pooped you? Oh, you. Ah. Okay, I've got my ultimate. I need to use this at the right moment. I need to get sneaky. I need to be strategic. Oh, did you know you could destroy these? That's so weird. Ah, no! No, 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 no. Why do I... He solo ulted me! You pathetic. He solo ulted me. You know what I've got to do. Forget us winning. Forget me having a monster game. Forget me getting play of the game. I'm gonna murder him. Oh my gosh. Oh, I need to run. I need to find the soldier. I am triggered. I am triggered. I got solo ulted. He was obviously gonna beat me, but he decided to... Oh my gosh. Yes! Got the soldier! Got the soldier! Dang it. We lost. But I got my revenge. I got my revenge. That's all that matters. Maybe we can get to the payload. Okay, I'm gonna actually try now. I'm gonna actually try. Oh, he solo ulted the turret, of course. He's a... Yes! Teabag! Well deserved teabag. How did I not kill him? I got him. I had it. No! I'm sorry, team. I let you guys down, but I had to get that soldier. Okay, that was fun, guys. I really like this map. Of course, I did not get play of the game. Of course, I didn't win at all. And of course, the only monster game I had was with a healer for some reason. I couldn't get kills with any DPS heroes at all. But that is what it is, I guess. It doesn't matter though. I got the soldier twice. He solo ulted me, and I just had to get him. So thank you guys for watching this video. Will I be continuing playing more games, making more videos? Probably not as often. I've got college and everything, so I'll play whenever I can. I just want to thank you guys so much for the support lately. I've been getting some just a small boost in subscribers, which is always pretty cool. That hasn't happened in a while, but you know, it's pretty cool seeing new subscribers popping up. And I'll probably let you down, not gonna lie. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will try to make videos whenever I can, but no promises. And yeah, check out my other videos, share them, like them, and you know, subscribe, because if you like what I do, maybe I will make more videos. You know, if you help me out, I'll help you out. It's kind of like that kind of thing, you know. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe today. I will be making videos eventually, maybe more Fortnite, maybe more Overwatch. You know, I'll make videos, not as often as I should, but I will make videos. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please share it, and yeah, I love you guys. Goodbye.
Bother you, never bother me. Things that bother you never bother me. I feel happy and fine, ha-ha. Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time. Having got a lot, I don't need a lot, coffee's only a dime. Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight,